been so long. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola if this is your first time stopping by, and if it's not, if you're an OG, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Even though I've been an inconsistent mess, I really have no excuse because doctors have been on strike for over a month. I've pretty much been jobless. My current unit, I only go to work once a week, which is on Thursdays. So I really have no excuse as to why I have not been vlogging. I've just been chilling, you guys. Sometimes I think you just need rest, and that's all I've really needed. And the rest has also prompted me to become a bit more consistent. So I'm really hoping that I can get back to vlogging as consistently as I used to. Especially because my internship program is about to end. I obviously want to get back on the same level of like consistency that I was on before I started. I actually started vlogging like a month ago. This is so shameful. Mom was in Abuja for about a month and I started vlogging like the day she came into town, but I quickly stopped. Like I only vlogged I think the first 2 days she was around, and after that I stopped. She left on Saturday and today is actually Monday the 13th of September. You guys, the year is moving really fast. 2021 is almost over. This is me giving vlogging another shot. I genuinely miss doing this. I miss like entertaining you guys with bits of my life, and I also miss documenting it for myself. So yeah, today I'm going to be taking you guys out with me. I'm going to meet up with Olivia today. We have a few things planned. I'd like for us to take the vaccine because we both haven't, so we're going to go to hospital and see if it's available today. I also want to make a quick stop at the bank. I have a couple transactions that I need to make. And then we also want to go get waxed. We both go to the same wax place, so we'll probably call them and book an appointment later. Let's head over to Olivia so I can pick her up and we can get our day started. You guys, so I'm out of the bank. I successfully, well, the first transaction I came for, I was able to get it done, but then the second one, I made some complaints like over a month ago and they're still working on it. So I guess I complained again. I don't know. Why is that policeman looking at me?
Recording me.
I'm recording him. What does he? Olivia, say hi. I'm recording him. What will he do about it? He beats me.
Look, the vaccine is starting by 9, but if you come by 8, so that I take your number.
Oh, okay. Take number, then you wait.
Yes.
Where do they give it inside here?
By the right.
Okay.
Go by the right. That is where they are giving the vaccine.
Okay. All right. Thank you. So we just got to our wax place. We're about to head out. We stopped at the hospital. We confirmed like the time for the COVID thing. They told us come back tomorrow by 9 and we have to register online. You got the like video, right?
Yes, I did.
They explained the process to us. It's kind of straightforward. So hopefully tomorrow we can get it done. I also had a patient I really wanted to check on, and I did that as well. So yeah, we just got to the wax place. We're about to head out because we booked for 3:30 and it's already 4 o'clock. So fingers crossed that.
Yes,
Yeah, I hope I know a lot of people and we can just get it done ASAP and be out of here.
on Monday though.
Us, we get waxed on a Monday.
I swear.
My wax was so good. Like I feel like a new woman. I got a Brazilian wax and my underarms as well. This place is really cheap. Olivia put me on. First of all, Olivia is the actual plug.
Yep.
For putting me onto this place, but they are very affordable. The underarm is 1,000 and the Brazilian is 3,500. So everything together costs 4,500. And I know places in Abuja where you can do just your underarm for 4K. So if you guys are looking for a cheap spa, definitely come to Flow Beauty. I'll put their name and like any contact details on the screen just so you guys know like where exactly to go. Somewhere in Maitama, and they're very efficient, very quick. I'm just really happy. I feel good. I already got our codes online, like the guy explained to us yesterday. Can I record myself? Is it allowed?
Can I go?
Yes, ma'am, you can. Thank you. Card. We finally got our vaccine. We took the Moderna vaccine. They have both AstraZeneca and Moderna, but we chose to take the Moderna. Read, do your own research and decide for yourself like which one you want to take. That's all I have to say. But finally, Our next dose is on the 12th of next month. So yeah, I'm so happy I finally got this done. It was really quick. Like, there are not a lot of people. Immediately we got there, they called us in. So yeah, we're at Capador Mall. My auntie's shop, my auntie has a home decor shop, is right there. I want to grab something from there, but we're hungry, so we're about to have brunch at Flower Cafe. I've seen it on Instagram and I've seen other people come, but I've never been. It's right here, so let's check it out. Olivia got hot chocolate to start with while we wait for our food. I got a frappuccino because Nigeria is hot and I can't even drink anything else right now. I hope it is. Say hey, you're so excited about this drink. For what I actually came here for. Auntie's back. I got chocolates. I think I'll be back another day for the other stuff. I want to show you guys around because this is gorgeous. If you're looking for anything home decor in Abuja, you better come here. Like, this is they have everything here, no cap. So let me show you guys what I'm even paying for. Paying for a console for the entryway area. So I paid for this mirror and I paid for a console, but the console isn't here. It's in the warehouse, so they're going to have to go and bring it to the shop. And yeah, when the console is back, I was going to take a picture of the space so we can figure out what we're going to put on top. And I'll just pick some items from the shop that can go on top of the console as well. What's up, you guys? Today is Thursday and I'm at work. It's a little past 11. I'm actually really early. My team has clinic today, so I just want to like show face. I'm actually not trying to stay because this is supposed to be my last week in this unit, so I just want to show face and tell them like, hey, I'm done, and just go. Hope my AC isn't too loud. Let me turn it down. Yesterday I didn't vlog because I had so many errands to run. I had so much to do and a lot of things I wanted to do didn't even like pan out the way I wanted, so that kind of like got to my mood a bit, but I didn't let it sit for too long. That's my new life mantra. I don't let things sit for too long. Like, I don't let anything upset me for too long. I just brush it off and keep moving. You guys remember that we took the vaccine on Tuesday, and yesterday Olivia was feeling really sick. Like, I called her in the morning and she was like, yo, I don't feel good at all, I'm in bed, I have a headache. Like, she was feeling really sick, like she was coming down with something, but I think it was just side effects from the vaccine. I didn't have any side effects at all, just my arm being a bit sore. It's still quite sore now, but nothing major at all. I didn't have any headache, I didn't have a fever, I didn't have any other symptoms. This Thursday, like I said, I have a few things I want to do. I talked about going to get some of my makeup products. I still want to do that. I'm also going to try to go grocery shopping just for a few things. I think Olivia wants to go grocery shopping as well, so we might do that together today. I'm about to step out of my car. I really want to get off quick so that I can go on and do the other things that I have planned. Sun is sunning. I finally picked my madam up. Olivia went to driving school, you guys. She's learning how to drive. Yes. We're here to buy makeup anyway. I got this setting spray. I got this Omari Code moisturizer. I want to try for a long time. And then I got concealer from Northern Beauty. I'll come back for the foundation. I got this. Where we've gotten to in Nigeria. Titus is not 600 naira. Oh my god. This is is crazy. Hi you guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. I didn't vlog at all yesterday because honestly my mental health was just shit. I was having a shitty day, and in the evening Olivia and we just went out to have drinks and we got drunk because I mean that's what you do sometimes. That's adulting. First of all, I'm having a cup of coffee. My mug says coffee first always. Cheers, because that's facts honestly, and this coffee is so good. Anyways, I want to cook this morning. Next week I'm starting Obs and Gynae, and I think I'm going to have to be going into work every single day, so I really want to have like just food prepped. My mom made me stew before she left. Bless her heart, she always cooks for me. I love that woman so much, oh my god. So my mom made me stew, but I also want to make a sauce. Initially I was going to make stir fry, like I bought stir fried chicken and everything, but then I also have snails, so now I think I'm gonna like make chicken and snail sauce, like with bell peppers and things like that. Like I already sliced the bell peppers, I already prepped everything, sliced my bell peppers. I'm just waiting for the chicken to thaw a bit. I took chicken out of the freezer this morning, so I'm just waiting for it to thaw a bit and then I'll start cooking. I'm just enjoying my coffee, you guys. I really need to wash my hair. Like just ignore what my hair looks like. My hair is super duper dirty. I need to wash it. I really wanted to braid my hair this weekend, but I don't think that's going to work out anymore because today's already Saturday. So I'll probably just go to the salon and get my hair washed and probably just put it back in cornrows and continue wearing wigs, because that's literally all I've been doing. Hopefully I can finish cooking, cleaning and doing my laundry like before 1. Then I'll just go to the salon, get my hair washed, put it in cornrows, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my coffee, wait for my chicken to thaw, and I'll start cooking.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I'm off to the salon to wash my hair and get it put into cornrows. I'm done. I've put my hair into cornrows and I just popped on my wig, honestly, because I can't be asked. I'm supposed to go meet up with my friend, so yeah, that's where I'm about to head to. Brunch. It's probably like 1 p.m. so I don't know if this is brunch or if it's lunch, but I just made myself some food. I've been in bed all day watching see, I'm watching too many shows on Netflix right now, and I don't know if that's a good thing, but I started Clickbait and it's really good. I also started the last season of Money Heist, and now Smart Money Woman is out, and I just couldn't like not watch that because I've read the books, so I have to watch the show. My food is right there. I'm not done eating yet. The sandwich I made is really nice. I was really craving cheese this morning. You guys, pray for me and my lactose obsession. Like, I've been able to take out milk from my diet, but somehow when it comes to cheese and yogurt, I can't find like alternatives, and I don't know if I can live without them yet. But I want to end this vlog here. I think I have enough footage and I don't want to keep like piling them up because I need to get to editing. My cornrows are looking nice. I wanted them big because I was in a hurry yesterday. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh my god, bye guys.